Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Angry Birds 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Facebook account onto your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Angry Birds 2 game on your device. And once you are taken into the home page, just click on your username at the top section. This will now open up your profile page. Now from this page, tap on the sign in section at the top. And now you will see the Facebook icon. Go ahead and tap on it and then tap on the connect button. This will now open up the Facebook application where you will simply need to tap on the continue as button to allow access to your account. After clicking on it, the game will gain access to your Facebook account and now all of your progress will be synced within this account. If you previously played Angry Birds 2 with your Facebook account, then your previous progress will now be recovered on your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Facebook account on the Angry Birds game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.